Here is the full guide how to use this pregnancy filter in Remini AI Baby app. It's going viral on TikTok. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. So just open the app. Here you need to go to AI photos. So second tab from the left. You need to pick 8-12 photos of yourself, close-up selfies, some subject, variety of backgrounds, expression, and face angles. So you see some nice examples. And you see that like if you're using group fix, small face, or not visible sunglasses animals, that's not a good idea. Then you will have bad result. And then you need to upload your selfies. And here I will just try to use some stock photos for you. How it works, just to show the process. Tap continue. Also here, that's just settings. Tap continue. And then it's important here that you need to pick your gender. So if you want to use this baby filter, it will only appear if you select female or other. If you select your gender as a male, you won't be able to have this filter. And then from here, you select a model image. Like you need to select use this model image. We are working on your photos, estimated time 6 minutes. Don't worry, the first time takes longer, the next will take less than 1 minute. And then you can just notify when ready. Probably just need to enable notifications. That should take up to 7 minutes. That's what it is. Even in an upgraded version, it should take this kind of time. Like which kind of upgrade do you need? So you can just have light option. So I just upgraded to light, which is like $5 per week, but there is pro version. But like the pregnancy filter also works with the light. So there you have it. So now there is a notification and it says your photos are ready. We generated 6 photos for you. Take a look. If you save the image, swipe right to save. If you save the image, you will find it in the phone gallery. And left to trash. So here you will see, of course, as you can see, this is just like AI, and of course there are some bugs, like you can see 2 like additional hands, so that's what it is. But this is basically how it looks like. And then this is the idea of the how this Remini generated with AI looks like. And if you want to get this on your TikTok, that's how you can save it to your gallery. That's basically the idea how you get these baby filters in Remini app.